In the heart of Taos, New Mexico, an enigmatic hum has captivated the minds of locals and scientists alike. This low-frequency sound, often likened to a distant diesel engine or a low-flying aircraft, has persisted for decades. What's truly fascinating is that while some residents are driven to distraction by this mysterious noise, others remain blissfully unaware. Theories abound. Could it be secret military experiments or perhaps something extraterrestrial? The effects on those who hear it can be profound, leading to headaches, fatigue, and anxiety. Yet despite extensive investigations, the source of the Taos hum remains elusive, solidifying its status as one of the world's most perplexing mysteries. What could be behind this strange phenomenon? The answers may be as elusive as the hum itself.